Good morning, students. Welcome to part 5 of this particular video on business process outsourcing, which is a topic for your semester 1 managerial skill development topic. Now, we have discussed in the earlier four chapters, earlier four topics, earlier four videos, what is outsourcing, what are the benefits of outsourcing, what are the various types of outsourcing that are possible, what are the benefits of outsourcing, and things like that. Now, we'll be dealing with some of the other non-discussed topics on outsourcing in this present video. First one, the problem with outsourcing is loss of control. You have to understand that when you are outsourcing, you are giving a particular process to a third party. Maybe the third party can create some problem. Maybe there can be a problem with the customer data. That they can sell the data outside. They can they can decrease the amount of customer service that you wanted to happen at your facility. So all these things are possible when you are outsourcing. So there is a risk involved when you are outsourcing, which is loss of control, increased cash flow. Now if there is a particular work that could be done at your company, suppose you would have given your company officials an extra target of doing that extra work also. Instead of that, you are giving it to a third party to solve the particular problem. So even if that particular third party is taking extra money only in variable form, he's still taking money out of the company. There's still money going out of the company, be it either variable or a capital outflow. In both the cases, the money is going out of the particular company. So that is a negative. Confidentiality and security are compromised, as we have discussed. In loss of control, you are sharing customer data, you are sharing your company data with an outsider, and there can be security breaches over there. Selection of a supplier is a very big problem when you're outsourcing. To find out the right guy, to find out the right third party, can be a real pain in the ass, because you have to find out the best in the industry. You have to find out somebody who is well versed with doing that particular job, who can do justice to that particular job, and can do it the way you expect them to do it. You would not want your customers to be ill-treated, mistreated. So you would want to find out that supplier who can do that in the way you wanted it to do. So selection becomes a very big problem when we are looking at outsourcing. Too dependent on the service provided. Sometimes it happens that you are so much dependent on the service provided that your processes get affected. Suppose a particular process, you have given process B to the third party. There are three processes in your company: process A, process B, and process C. Process B you have outsourced. So suppose process A work is done at your company, but process B has not yet arrived from the service provider, the third party. In that case, your entire production or your entire manufacturing or the service will get affected, because process B is an ingredient, is an important part, integral part of your process A, B, C. If B is affected, the entire thing is protected. So sometimes you become overly dependent on the service provider, and that can create problems. Loss of staff or moral problems are also there. If you look at the global scenario, there was a lot of hue and cry of the US citizens. They were against this BPO thing, they were against this outsourcing model, because there was a lot of job loss that was happening at the United States. There were many jobs of secretaries, there were many jobs of people who were doing menial jobs. Those jobs were transferred to India and the other neighboring countries like China, cheap countries like China, Pakistan, Bangladesh. These works were being outsourced, and because of that, the US citizens were losing their jobs. So that can create moral problems or loss of staff. Sometimes outsourcing can also be time consuming, in the sense that to find out that particular vendor, to send the particular request, then waiting for that request to be processed, and then accepting it, receiving it, and then trying to decode that particular request. So that can be time consuming. Instead, if you can do it at your own premises, in your own company, that may probably be time saving for that matter. So these are some of the problems associated with outsourcing. The provider may not understand the business environment. It might happen that he may not be able to understand the business environment just like you are doing. At your company, you know what is best for your particular industry, you know what is best for your particular company. But when you outsource a particular process, that particular person is a expert in that particular process for various other companies. Other companies are also giving a similar kind of a request to him, but he's not an overall champion. He's not an overall champion of how the industry is going to perform in the next 5 years, in the next 2 years, or what are the things that are changing. So since he's not able to understand the business environment, probably his outlook will not be that sharp or his work will not be that clean. So that is something which is a problem with outsourcing. The last one is providers slow to react to changes in strategy. Sometimes they are so attuned to the third party, so attuned to working in a particular way, giving you the process solution in a particular way, that they have made that into a strict module, and they are very difficult to change that particular process. If you ask for a certain revision, if you ask for a certain change in that particular requirement, suppose I have given a job to a particular company to cut the bolts in a specific size of say 5 mm or 5 centimeter size screws is what I require. But once you change that dimension to, suddenly the business environment has changed, and now people are looking for, the customers are looking for 6 mm screws, 6 centimeter screws. In that case, if you give that requirement to the outsourced person, the outsourced company, not in all the cases will the particular company be able to solve that particular problem for you. वो 5 mm से 6 mm करने में शायद वो उनको उतना मज़ा ना आए और वो कर ना पाएँ. So that can become a serious concern when you are outsourcing the particular job. So I guess we'll close this particular topic over here, and then we'll move in the next